Hello, this is Quentin from ServiceNow. In this very short video, I want to show our ServiceNow RPA Hub computer vision capability. I believe if you are UiPath, Automation Anywhere, you're familiar, Guru, you're familiar with computer vision. I want to show you those concepts in ServiceNow RPA. So the name is called Action Set in our Action UI. This is where we do the computer vision. So I'm going to show you one of the capabilities that use OCR and computer vision within RPA of ServiceNow. So it's a very simple example, but just want to show you the UI so you get a look and feel. I'm not going to build something too complex, but at least you get a feel for it. So this is action set I'm using. Then I can take a screenshot of the screen for which I need to capture things and use computer vision. Obviously here I'm gonna use a web page. I don't have some old mainframe, but I will typically use computer vision, not even for mainframe because we have a connector for it, but certain very legacy software for which we don't have choice. We have to use computer vision. In that example, I'm gonna just use a ServiceNow web page. You don't have to use computer vision for a web page because you have a universal connector. This is just for me to showcase the computer vision, but you don't have to use computer vision for a web page. Obviously, we can read the element of the page. This is just a way for me to showcase the computer vision, just to be completely clear. So you have capture image feature, you select your object. It doesn't have to be a page, could be a legacy client, legacy UI, doesn't really matter. Just for the sake of the demo, I'm using that UI. So I'm going to Control Shift. I'm going to try to take a screen capture of that page, and then go back to here. And then, as you have in UiPath, Automation Anywhere, and probably Blue Prism, you can define your anchor. So I define my anchor. I can have multiple anchor here. I can make it bigger. Let's say that's my anchor to recognize the page. I can have multiple anchor. I can add more complex matching rule. I just want to give you a quick sneak peek of how this works. So now let's say you want to go find an object on the page based on that anchor. Well, now I can do it. You can grab text, grab specific part of the text, click text, do some mouse action, send keys. So if you locate some kind of form, a field, now that you have the anchor, it's going to be very simple to do that. I'm just going to perform a click because I don't have a good UI, good example here I could use on that particular VDI. But if you are a UiPath expert, Blue Prism expert, you'll get the idea and see that it's exactly the same or probably even better, hopefully here with the RPA one. So I'm going to click. Just going to use a click action, whatever, click on that action. And as you can see, it's just using location based on my anchor. So let's try it. Close this page and I will open the page manually. Normally you'll put if you're working on an RPA project, you're going to have some step before that where you open the page, go to the URL or open the legacy UI, and then you do the computer vision. Yeah, just double clicking on the computer vision. So I'm just going to click run and just open the page manually here. So you should see, boom, it using the anchor here and locating the object. Or it actually clicks on resource to locate the object. So sometimes we do this. And you can add more step, like just going back to it. If you want to get specific part of the screen or type in a form. Everything you will expect, you can use it there. So we do have OCR capability. I don't know if you call it as part of computer vision. We could say it's computer vision, right? So we can use the OCR. It's the same concept. You can have a preview step that's gonna take a screen capture of a document and use OCR. You can add different OCR engine there, libraries. But that's also part of the computer vision. If you really want to do document processing, we have an extremely powerful document intelligence solution outside of our RPA, so I would recommend just to use it as part of the capability of the platform if you want to extract, for example, values from invoices and things like that, well, you don't need to build a robot for that. Use our document processing solution for it. So all the computer vision action that you need are here. All right. For a web page, you don't need to use those, but that was just an example. So I can show you the capability. All right, thank you.